if Wazito are able to nick a goal back, and then it's 1-1, it's going to be very hard for Gor to catch up and actually win the game.
Yeah, true. Again, that Gor Mahia defense today is not what we are used to knowing it of. And true, Wazito are beginning to gain confidence, and they are now getting into the box more and more in this very 32nd minute of the game. Now God has the ball there and gets Bajaj. That's a very good goalkeeper to player pass. And Ochoga should bring this surely. He should have brought a better cross. 45 would have done well, but not yet. Now this is now Joshua. Joshua lets his goalkeeper do it. Joshua Onyango plays Mbish. You see Philemon is playing right at the heart of the defense. And I don't think Philemon, knowing him so well as an attacking player, attack-minded player, would really fit into that. I don't know what Mankistri is looking for. I don't know what he's trying to do, whether he's resting players. I don't know if it's tactical. I don't know. I can't really tell. But it's with Bajaj.
I think Mankistri is trying to do an Arteta. I hope God doesn't play the way Arsenal played Everton and lost that game 1-0. A lot of makeshift, both in the defense, in the midfield. Remember, now is when you realize that Wendo plays very critical role for Gor in that midfield. Alpha and even Austin play a very critical role, even Jonte as well, and Dennis Nganga in the back line for Gor. When they're not there is when you actually miss them. But I hope they'll be able to hold. And that's a goal by Omala. 13th goal of... 13th goal in 14 games. 14 goals in 14 games for Benson Omala, Kisumu Day prodigy, a sensation in Kenyan football. And I just hope that Omala will be called to the national team when Harambee Stars plays their friendly matches with Burundi in the coming month.
Well, I don't know who the coach, Harambee Stars coach is right now. Firat, is Firat still in? Okay, maybe he's watching Omala, and Omala is really made it look, a training kind of a touch, because he only had to do one touch and then he closes in, and that is a hallmark of a finisher. So Omala has his brace in the first half. So we saw him have a hat-trick in Kisumu against Vihiga Bullets, and perhaps this would be another day when Omala will be adding to his account of goals. And Gor Mahia now showing some lethargy in defense, but again they are so lethal up front through that guy, Mr. Benson Ochieng Omala. That is Omala's 14th goal in 14 games, and I don't think there's any striker again in Kenya of recent times who's been matching at least a goal in every match, and Omala is opening a new frontier here in terms of goal scoring. Yes, another one there, and Omala has the ball. He should have made it 3. But then the second assistant referee, Doreen Kendi, spotted him offside. Omala was in a position he's not supposed to be, and that goal came in the 33rd minute. Referee Amisi wants the ball to be played towards Gor Mahia goal. And yes, it's done. Number 9, Felix Ochieng for Wazito, plays a good one. Again, it's Wazito. They should be shooting on this. And the referee plays on, though Wazito are claiming it should have been a penalty. Wazito are claiming a penalty on that. And that is Hilary Otieno, who actually did a good shot. Still, they look very capable of mounting a challenge. And there is a player down for Gor Mahia. 2 players for Gor Mahia. I can see Luwasa Peter in the midfield, and on the defense should be Sydney Wahungo. I believe so. I can see he's collecting himself up, and the medics really will just be there to ensure that everything is right. Now, speaking about this, Omala has scored all the 14 goals for Gor Mahia. The rest of the players in the team have just scored 1 goal each.
That's why Gor had to pay that money to get him from Western Steamer. Remember, he was a sensation when playing in Kisumu and while in Kisumu Day High School. Now he has come to Gor Mahia. Had a brief stint in Norway, Scandinavian country, in the mid of that, but I think he wasn't ready. Right now, if he can go on that form, probably he will, he'll go better on that Ambani's record in the Kenya Premier League, because no player has actually scored more than 27 goals in one season. We hope that he can score more than that and actually now create a new record in the new age for Kenyan football. We love young players, seeing them play, and one day these are players we needed in Europe. Teams that are struggling with in form, Manchester United don't have a striker, Arsenal as well, Liverpool. Probably one day they can come to Kenya, get the talent, nurture them, treat them well, and a Kenyan will play in the EPL just after Victor Wanyama.
Well, speaking about Liverpool, which is my team, I'm a hardened Liverpool fan. I know right now things aren't so good, but at least I won my derby yesterday night, and it feels good. You say people like Omala should be seen by teams like Manchester United who don't have natural strikers, and Arsenal for that matter. I think people like Omala should give good account of themselves. Speaking about Fred Ambani's got 27 goals, and Omala is now just 13 goals shy of that. 13 goals shy of that, and that would really place him in a good position. There is a yellow card that is flashed there. There's a player down there. Well, I can see the medics surrounding. Is it a player or... Yeah. McKinstry stands there. I can see the medics really working hard. Seems to have been a bad knock. Seems to have been a bad shot. And let's see if my photographer would just give me what's happening right there. And just know exactly what happened, because it happened so fast. Can see everybody else seems relaxed, meaning it's not something that is so serious even from this end. And now the game should be beginning. Amisi, the referee, starts the game again. And we are doing like less than 5 minutes to half time. Taken by Ibrahim Ochieng for Wazito. Ibrahim now plays his counterpart Okwemba Stanley in midfield. Okwemba there. Okwemba finds Collins Odhiambo. Back again to Yusuf Mohammed. Yusuf plays in midfield, and now they'll be searching Felix Ochieng. Felix Ochieng has the ball. Ochieng does 1-2. A good cross in that is headed out of play by Chuoga Paul. Well, I think talking about this defense today, Felix Ochieng in jersey number 9 has been tormenting Mbish and Simiti on this right wing. Again, a cross comes in, but Gad is steady to check it. Omala is sought here by Gad, but again headed out of danger. Now Blackberry Odhiambo, and again loses the ball in the midfield. With Wazito now, and Okwemba Stanley has it, plays back to Owade Ezekiel, the goalkeeper. Ezekiel plays to Dennis Owino. Dennis Owino looks at Regan Okoth. Okoth now there, trying to find Dixon Raila. Dixon brings one, and Gad... I thought at one point Gad was giving a pass to our opponent, and this kind of casual kind of play, Gor Mahia should really avoid at all costs. Though they are leading 2-0, it's not a ticket to be lethargic, to just be careless sometimes in your position. Well, Wahongo Sydney is here, and Gad will have the ball. Bish is in the central of the midfield. Then Joshua Onyango begins on the right-hand side. Joshua plays the ball, a long one seeking Bajaj, who is out of position. Ball in midfield again. Bajaj wins the ball in midfield. Boniface Bajaj still on the ball. And again, it's been infringed upon. Well, we are looking at some 2 to 3 minutes of regular play before we can see what the fourth official of this game, David Murioki, would indicate as the added minutes. This game has gone without a water break, and I thought because of these very high temperatures, King Manuel, this was an opportunity for some water break. What do you feel? Then Felix Ocheng here again with the ball. Simiti unable to contain him. Simiti with the ball. In midfield, Ibrahim Ocheng. And now Gor Mahia will launch an attack here. Bajaj now releases Omala. Omala is on. Can Omala score? And he scores. It is now a hat-trick for Omala in the first half. It's a hat-trick for Omala in the first half. He evaded his marker Vincent Otieno and again evaded Dennis, and they thought the offside trap was on. It wasn't on. Omala on a hat-trick now.
Sure play by Omala. Clinical finish by the sensation Kenyan international Benson Omala. Their third goal of the game. Hat-trick for Benson Omala in this game, and I think that was a good pass by Bajaj. Good running by Omala, just to ensure that he beats the offside trap. Wazito now have dug themselves in a hole. They'll be a bit lighter. I don't know if the Wazito name will actually work for them anymore, because Wazito in the Kenyan language simply means heavy. But Omala has made light work of the Wazito team.
So definitely Wazito become Wepesi. I think that should be the opposite of Wazito. Wazito become Wepesi and the other way around. Well, Omala is now just 12 goals shy of Fred Ambani in Kenya Premier League records. And that is achievable by what we are seeing from this young man right now. Just 14 games, he scored 15 goals. And that's incredible statistic from a player who is showing every good sign and form right now. And again, now Wazito will be seeking to redeem at least even a goal, because it's so deep. You say they've dug themselves deep into a hole that it will be almost cumbersome to come out of. And yes, Wazito are in town anyway, but King Manuel says now they are Wepesi. Well, there are Dixon Raila on the ball for Wazito. They keep pushing on, a good cross that now finds Felix Ocheng. Felix Ocheng now. Felix Ocheng is giving a cross there, miscued again here by Sydney Wahongo. I mean, Sydney Wahongo should be playing in the central defense, and McKinstry is is he taking so much a risk with this kind of a lineup? Because people like Sydney Wahongo can't even deal with the last man passes. Yes, it's 2 minutes. Omala having scored in the 44th minute of this game. It's 2 minutes of the added time. And now it's a corner. This corner is taken by Hilary Otieno. Otieno takes a long one and is headed out by Onyango Joshua for Gor Mahia. Goes out for a throw. Wazito will throw the ball towards Gor Mahia goal. Remember the scoreline as it is right now is 3-0 for Gor Mahia, and it's Benson Omala who's been on duty for all those 3 goals. A good ball given to Felix Ocheng. Felix Ocheng now plays his counterpart in jersey 20, that is Dixon Raila, and the ball goes out of the field of play. Simiti finds his goalkeeper Gad. Gad is now under pressure. He takes one. Gad has the luxury now of even having to take one challenge or like that from his position. Yes, Simiti Joffrey is here. King Manuel, as we wind up the first half.
Yeah, interesting information coming in from my colleague Charlo saying Gor are doing well, leading scorers in all competitions from 2008. Remember, Jackie Stisenge scored 64 goals. Medi Kagere scored 50 goals. Danny Serunkuma scored 45. George Odhiambo Blackberry, still playing, scored 47. And then Samuel Nyango scored 34. So Benson Omala on 14, actually 15 right now, has a lot to work on to actually match the leading scorers who have ever played in that Gor front line. But he's doing well. Young player, came from Kisumu Day, has played for teams and has played for Gor right now, moving very well. And for him, it's destination Europe after this.
Yes, that marks the end of the first half, and we will be back in a while to continue this Kenya Premier League match number 14, pitting Gor Mahia against Wazito. Remember, I've been your commentator in this half, together with my colleague King Manuel. I'm Nico Kelo. Please don't go away. We'll be back shortly.
Okay.
Anasema amekaa kutafuta mtu. Sijui kama umeoa.
Nimeamua hii 2023 tukifunga at least nipate bwana, at least niolewe. Kwa sababu tumekuja kusupport.
Mimi naye niko engaged na niko na bibi wawili, moja ako Bondo, moja ako na
mimi naishi Utawala.
Na kuambia tu utaolewa. Watu
lakini pia nikipata mtu kama wewe naweza bambika pia bado.
Ongeza kwa na bibi wanne utakuwa namba 5.
Haina shida, naweza kuwa bora tu ni vizuri.
Huyu fan anasema amekaa kutafuta mtu. Sijui kama umeoa.
Nimeamua hii 2023 tukifunga at least nipate bwana, at least niolewe. Kwa sababu tumekuja kusupport.
Mimi naye niko engaged na niko na bibi wawili, moja ako Bondo, moja ako na Nairobi.
Mimi naishi Utawala.
Na kuambia tu utaolewa. Watu ni wengi.
Lakini pia nikipata mtu kama wewe naweza bambika pia bado.
Ongeza kwa na bibi wanne utakuwa namba 5.
Haina shida, naweza kuwa bora tu ni vizuri.
Huyu fan anasema amekaa kutafuta mtu. Sijui kama umeoa.
Nimeamua hii 2023 tukifunga at least nipate bwana, at least niolewe. Kwa sababu tumekuja kusupport.
Mimi naye niko engaged na niko na kuna bibi wawili, moja ako Bondo, moja ako Nairobi.
Mimi naishi Utawala.
Na kuambia tu utaolewa. Watu ni wengi.
Leo nafunza how to register on our
Lakini pia nikipata mtu kama wewe naweza bambika pia bado.
Nikuongeze kwa bibi wanne utakuwa namba 5.
Haina shida, naweza kuwa bora tu ni vizuri.
Huyu fan anasema amekaa kutafuta mtu. Sijui kama umeoa.
Nimeamua hii 2023 tukifunga at least nipate bwana, at least niolewe. Kwa sababu tumekuja kusupport.
Mimi naye niko engaged. Na niko na bibi wawili, moja ako Bondo, moja ako Nairobi.
Mimi naishi Utawala.
Na kuambia tu utaolewa.
So you can register on the website or download the app. Visit our website, which is ke.sportpesa.com. Click on register now and follow the instructions. The second method that you can register via online registration is through the app. For website, click on download app, install it in your phone. After you install the app, click on register and follow the instructions. But then, you can play with as little as 10 shillings. Now, kumbuka, you can also share your bets with your friends. Mkafunga na mabeshte. Niaje wase, welcome to yet another how-to video brought to you by SportPesa. Leo nafunza how to register on our platform. The first way is via SMS. So how do you do it? You just send the word accept to 79079. And just like that, start playing with us. The second method you can register is via our USSD. How do you do it? Dial *790# and then follow the instructions. The third and final way that you can register is through online registration. So you can register on the website or download the app. Visit our website, which is ke.sportpesa.com. Click on register now and follow the instructions. The second method that you can register via online registration is through the app. For website, click on download app, install it in your phone. After you install the app, click on register and follow the instructions. Wase, kumbuki, you can play with as little as 10 shillings. Na kumbuka, you can also share your bets with your friends. Mkafunga na mabeshte. Niaje wase, welcome to yet another how-to video brought to you by SportPesa. Leo nafunza how to register on our platform. The first way is via SMS. So how do you do it? You just send the word accept to 79079. And just like that, start playing with us. The second method you can register is via our USSD. How do you do it? Dial *790# and then follow the instructions. The third and final way that you can register is through online registration. So you can register on the website or download the app. Visit our website, which is ke.sportpesa.com. Click on register now and follow the instructions. The second method that you can register via online registration is through the app. For website, click on download app, install it in your phone. After you install the app, click on register and follow the instructions. Wase, kumbukini, you can play with as little as 10 shillings. Na kumbuka, you can also share your bets with your friends. Mkafunga na mabeshte. Niaje wase, welcome to yet another how-to video brought to you by SportPesa. Leo nafunza how to register on our platform. The first way is via SMS. So how do you do it? You just send the word accept to 79079.
Bwana anasema amekaa kutafuta mtu. Sijui kama umeoa.
Nimeamua hii 2023 tukifunga at least nipate bwana, at least niolewe. Kwa sababu tumekuja kusupport.
Mimi naye niko engaged. Na niko na bibi wawili, moja ako Bondo, moja ako Nairobi.
Mimi naishi Utawala.
Na kuambia tu utaolewa. Watu ni wengi.
Lakini pia nikipata mtu kama wewe naweza bambika pia bado.
Nikuongeze kwa bibi wanne utakuwa namba 5.
Haina shida, naweza kuwa bora tu ni vizuri.
Huyu fan anasema amekaa kutafuta mtu. Sijui kama umeoa.
Nimeamua hii 2023 tukifunga at least nipate bwana, at least niolewe. Kwa sababu tumekuja kusupport.
Mimi naye niko engaged. Na niko na bibi wawili, moja ako Bondo, moja ako na Nairobi.
Mimi naishi Utawala.
Na kuambia tu utaolewa. Watu ni wengi.
Lakini pia nikipata mtu kama wewe naweza bambika pia bado.
Nikuongeze kwa niko na bibi wanne, utakuwa namba 5.
Haina shida, naweza kuwa bora tu ni vizuri.
Huyu fan anasema amekaa kutafuta mtu. Sijui kama umeoa.
Nimeamua hii 2023 tukifunga at least nipate bwana, at least niolewe. Kwa sababu tumekuja kusupport.
Mimi naye niko engaged. Na niko na bibi wawili, moja ako Bondo, moja ako na Nairobi.
Mimi naishi Utawala.
Na kuambia tu utaolewa. Watu ni wengi.
Lakini pia nikipata mtu kama wewe naweza bambika pia bado.
Nikuongeze kwa niko na bibi wanne, utakuwa namba 5.
Haina shida, naweza kuwa bora tu ni vizuri.
Huyu fan anasema amekaa kutafuta mtu. Sijui kama umeoa.
Nimeamua hii 2023 tukifunga at least nipate bwana, at least niolewe. Kwa sababu tumekuja kusupport.
Mimi naye niko engaged. Na niko na bibi wawili, moja ako Bondo, moja ako na Nairobi.
Mimi naishi Utawala.
Na kuambia tu utaolewa. Watu ni wengi.
Welcome to yet another how-to video.
Lakini pia nikipata mtu kama wewe naweza bambika pia bado.
Nikuongeze kwa niko na bibi wanne, utakuwa namba 5.
Haina shida, naweza kuwa bora tu ni vizuri.
Huyu fan anasema amekaa kutafuta mtu. Sijui kama umeoa.
Nimeamua hii 2023 tukifunga at least nipate bwana, at least niolewe. Kwa sababu tumekuja kusupport.
Mimi naye niko engaged. Na niko na bibi wawili, moja ako Bondo, moja ako na
Mimi
Nairobi.
naishi Utawala.
Na kuambia tu utaolewa. Watu ni wengi.
The third and final way that you can register is through online.
Lakini pia nikipata mtu kama wewe naweza bambika pia bado.
Nikuongeze kwa niko na bibi wanne, utakuwa namba 5.
Haina shida, naweza kuwa bora tu ni vizuri.
Huyu fan anasema amekaa kutafuta mtu. Sijui kama umeoa.
Nimeamua hii 2023 tukifunga at least nipate bwana, at least niolewe. Kwa sababu tumekuja kusupport.
Mimi naye niko engaged. Na niko na bibi wawili, moja ako Bondo, moja ako na
Mimi
Nairobi.
naishi Utawala.
Na kuambia tu utaolewa. Watu ni wengi.
Kumbukeni, you can play with as little as 10 shillings.
Utakuwa namba 5.
Haina shida, naweza kuwa bora tu ni vizuri.
Huyu fan anasema amekaa kutafuta mtu. Sijui kama umeoa.
Nimeamua hii 2023 tukifunga at least nipate bwana, at least niolewe. Kwa sababu tumekuja kusupport.
Mimi naye niko engaged. Na niko na bibi wawili, moja ako Bondo, moja ako na
Mimi
Nairobi.
naishi Utawala.
Na kuambia tu utaolewa. Watu ni wengi.
Just like that, start playing with us. The second method.
Lakini pia nikipata mtu kama wewe naweza bambika pia bado.
Nikuongeze kwa niko na bibi wanne, utakuwa namba 5.
Haina shida, naweza kuwa bora tu ni vizuri.
Huyu fan anasema amekaa kutafuta mtu. Sijui kama umeoa.
Nimeamua hii 2023 tukifunga at least nipate bwana, at least niolewe.
Ndio. Kama Derek naye ndio ni Derek. Umesikia nikiongea hapa ni kipi? Naenda ni kwa sababu. Kama ni champu na sumeri kuna tishi. Kweli si ndio?
Sasa hiyo beti mkataa kuingiana kesho. Nitakuwa mzee ameweka uzake kwa lini ya kesho. Kama ile ingine ile ya Manu. Aliweka usko Manu, alimaliza mwezi mzima akilia. Zisikia ni nini alibu budget. Kesho, mimi najua tu mwaka taka ngoja dakika 90 zifike. Ukifika hivi unaenda kwa 3-1. Hata unataka kula hapo bila mzee. Watu hapa hivi. Steva, utasikia mzee akiniambia ati huyo mzee nishikie kati. Nikuwa busy. Nikuwa makofi. Hizo sio ngine na mtu. Mzee. Lakini mimi naona
The luck is on this side. Mungu kwa nini ananipenda hivi? Mungu sasa kijana nimewaka hivi. Not put your God in temptation. Don't tempt your God.
Yeah, shall tempt. Kwanza ile kiboko unapigwa kesho. Ile kiboko unapigwa kesho.
Mungu kwa nini ananipenda hivi?
Vizuri.
Huyu fan anasema amekaa kutafuta mtu. Sijui kama umeona.
Nimeamua hii 2023 tukifunga at least nipate bwana, at least niolewe.
Mimi ningekuwa wewe. Ningekuwa shakasha. Unaona hiyo? Utakwambia wewe kuna baki hapa.
Estanyamato, estanyamato mora.
Akisema hapo ati na isihanga au mwingine akasema hapo tuletewe libre.
They need to work on that. It is a very essential. It's very essential when you watch
hiyo ni kwanza mimi nataka kuomba.
Wanze kufanya ile shughuli. Wanze kuwa na mkebe yako.
Ndio. Oh, Jonas, lakini nilikuwa napenda water bottle.
Kila kitu.
Tunaomba ya
Bro, nikienda hapo time ni chache basi.
kila saa. Hiyo ikiosha asubuhi unapatana free na shindana na maji. Hapo ndio yaoneshi.
Acha Sonic, mtu mpigie delivery mama mmoja. Friend ya maana zake tena. Sasa ni baba. Sofia the first. So ngoja tu kwa 45. Ngine nafanyisha anza. Check on that. Check on that. Wewe comedian. Esta si bona ni kenya leo. Nimekwama. Oh, sasa.
Ndio nilikuwa ndiye mkubwa. Sasa nini imeisha?
Steven Poteko Stadium.
Wewe Kenya hata tuko na mchezo. So basi nimepotea hakuna nini. Kamera iko sawa. Lakini anaweka si baka.
Steven ikiwa
Sisi hata waingikuwa tu wa stream hiyo. Ningekuwa na stream bila wifi.
si wanatumia data. Wanatumia wifi. This
Wanatumia nini? Lakini si wanaweza kila basi.
si sasa
Kamera ziko na charge.
ni imani broadcast. Watu wa TV ni
Oh, hii nini? Kanaitwa aje? Tunga sarani hapa.
What is happening from your mind?
Hiyo hadi nakwanga hiyo hadi au ni hadi
Ni sasa hivi sio hata nini hata max kuna wengine hata max hizo na kubombea katikati watu washaijaa
jogo papadoni hizi kwa kuja siku
kweli kwani ni karibu na nini kweli unapata gari shamba
mimi tukia kwa barabara mwanzo kupata lakini kama si nilipanda gari kwa na watu kadhaa ati nimepata
hizo mama hizo gari hizo
gari hizo magari
kama kama na magari kwa pisi gari ya maana hivi matunda kwa sana
hizo za distance zilikuwa nyingi kwa hapa. Ndio sema hizi zinaanza kunyaka hapa. Ndio zamani mlipatana
sio kwa strategy bedeli kwa game ndio sasa pigwe ni mazoezi mwisho kuna bwana chini ya msesi anga ile first na secondary 11 na 1
katika ni sifa sasa inaingia tu
hadi wikendi utapata
yaani unaongea kinyenye hapa ndo nisisikie hapo
Ederi maisha amegive up ile maneno finally concede amesema you can have one board maisha Ndio hii ndio imerudi saa hii, unaona ndio imepika huko. Sasa nikaenda sasa. Lakini ile kama inaweza kuona uchafu pale ndani ya hiyo ni kaya na ikibana roho. Ikibana. Kwani pale unakuwa na maji kila siku. Sisi uko na maji kwa sprinklers. Na sprinklers. Wewe una maji kwa kiwanda? Sio kuna zile sprinklers. Lazima mwadonge kitu. Lazima hapa. Sasa hizi nyingine inafika huko. Lakini zao za kupanga si kazi hizo. Sauti inapoteza, unasikia ndio inataka kurudi. Ya mashine hiyo. Mashine haija sabani na bibi. Ni bado hajasoma hapo.
Well, viewer, wherever you are, we want to be very sorry for that technical hitch. It was not on our side though. It was matters to the viewer, wherever you are, lighting, wherever you are, we want to be back anyway. Technical hitch, we are back. It was we not on our side though. Doing it was matters to the Kenya Power. 50 minutes of the game. We are back anyway. Stand at we are back for Gor Mahia and Bajaj Boniface has been found. It will be a goal kick. 8 minutes towards Wazito FC goal area. Good one has been taken by Joshua. Bajaj Boniface has been found. It will be a goal kick well taken care of by Ezekiel Wade. So we go on. Good one has been taken. We apologize for that by Joshua, but so minutes that we were off air. It was something well taken care of by Ezekiel Wade. So we go on and we will apologize now right back. Apologies for that. And the game we were on air. Remember something. Nick Okelo and King Manuel. We are just now right back. Second down. Apologies for that. So the game made by the teams. Remember just holding on to the team that began Okelo and King Manuel. Minute number we are 60 of the game. The second down. No changes so far made by the teams. All the managers are still holding on to their team that began the game.
The second half,
we are heading to minute number 60 of the game. What is well in about what should we do?
The second half, but they need to come in the second half with a lot of pressure that back line. But they much more. They seem to be holding very well, despite fast them having a 3 the second half. But they need to be a bit dominating that. Give a lot of pressure to that back line. Remember, the better defense you play, very well, despite control the game, having a 3 get more position, then you can win the match. Dominate that. On the contrary, if you want to win any game, remember when they push up, the better defense you play in the back line, actually Gor can exploit. get more Blackberry on that, then you can miss that corner kick. Wazito on the control, and Nick, as I told you, remember when they push up Wazito, then they push up, then they create their back line, vacuum on their back line, which Gor can exploit. Blackberry on that, actually do for missing that corner kick for Gor, which they Nick, as I told you, to attack. If Wazito will have to attack, then they create the cover vacuum on their back line, which Gor can exploit.
Well, it's a corner that was a good run by Blackberry Odhiambo on the left wing.
They have to attack, but remember, they have to attack early and recover on
will
time.
be taking that corner, and this is the it's a corner that was a good run by Blackberry Odhiambo on the left wing. I can see we'll be having Anthony Odhiambo coming in. Will be taking that corner, and this is the second corner. We'll have 31. Wazito will be coming in exchanging number 20. I can see. So Raila and Felix goes out, and then in for Felix Ochieng, and we'll have 31 Clinton Okoth. Then we will be coming in jersey number 20. Then we now Raila and Felix goes out to the to the action where a corner is supposed to be executed by, and then we have Anthony Odhiambo jersey number 6. But I can see a player we now head straight to the to the action. Omala, a corner is the field of play, and a corner comes in here, punched out by Ezekiel Owade, the goalkeeper. Player is vying again for it, but as you know, any touch on a goalkeeper in a field of play, Omala has limped off the field of play, and a corner comes in here. Omala is down there, out by Ezekiel Owade, the goalkeeper, from is vying again for it, but I don't know what happened because I only saw him play limping out. Perhaps somebody stepped. Omala is down there in this field of play. Receiving medication from the team doctor Fred. I don't know what's happened because I only saw him limping out. Yes, perhaps it is now Wazito launching the game in this field of play. A lot of things happen on this left side. It's played, and perhaps Omala is a casualty of some things like that. Ibrahim Ochieng, it is now Wazito launching the game, and on this left side. It's played crazy. This is play from Ibrahim Ochieng. In the defense, as played on the other side, the goalkeeper with him, Vincent back to Owade. The ball. Owade will play with Okwemba Stanley on the left. It was a perfect time for him to really make the change. And at the same time, I can see Austin and Masharia preparing to come in. The ball Gor Mahia on the right wing. Wazito now will lob a good one. That's a fine one. That should be a goal. It's a fielder, and Masharia is a winger. So chances are here that should actually be a goal. I'm wondering why that's not a goal. Crazy. This is play from Collins Odhiambo. I mean, why did Collins Odhiambo score that? He had the goalkeeper with him. He seemed not to be knowing what to do with the ball. And again, Gadi came out, missed the timing, and it was a perfect time for him to really make the change. And at the same time, I can see Austin and Masharia preparing to come in. Gor Mahia preparing a change here, which means more and more attack, because Austin is an attacking midfielder and Masharia is a winger. So chances are here that McKinstry still wants more goals. He wants to really to mend the defense of Wazito. Ochoga on the ball. Ochoga finds his goalkeeper, Gad Otieno Matthew. Gad finds Bajaj, who is not able to head. You know, Bajaj is a short player. Any balls that actually high-flying balls are so disadvantageous to him. But, well, when it's put down and is supposed to be raced upon, then Bajaj is on point for that. Throw into Wazito. Headed out for a throw-in again towards Gor Mahia goal. Omala is back in the field of play, but he seems to be limping. I can see Omala still limping. He doesn't look to be fine, even the way he's walking. Then Blackberry comes out for Austin, and Masharia will be replacing Masharia will be coming in for jersey number 27, that is Bajaj himself. Today he's been rested early, so we won't be seeing those runs in the second half. And well, like I said, Omala seems to be limping still, and as the only talisman that you have in your team, it should be worrying the coach so much, because without Omala up front, then this team really will be struggling to score goals. Macharia already in action now. An exciting dribbler of the ball. He finds Ochoga. Ochoga brings in a good one that is defended well out for a corner. Well, Macharia is known for this kind of runs, but not a goal scorer.
Nick, these are the games that Macharia will always flourish. He likes holding on to the ball, dribbling past players. Final third might not be very good, but he brings in that composure that is needed in every game. What I'm liking is today, Gor 2 and 3 are moving a bit higher than what we saw in the last game against Tusker, which is always a good thing because you need as many of your players to go on the ball up front there, then they can get a lot of goals. Remember, the league is so tight, so at some point it will come to goal difference. Gor has to take the advantage. If you get a weak team, a weaker than you like Wazito, score as much goals. Ingwe taught us a lesson last week. They got Talanta, who probably had not been paid for a year or so, as their coach had said, hit them on 6. Gor today have to try and score as much as they can because at the end of the day, goal difference will always count in a very tight league.
Well, speaking about Talanta, the coach said, and
No. Inaendelea. Mimi sijui. Si ndio hiyo? Imekwama. Hebu tumia ile Facebook. Close tu hapo. Enda kwa browser nyingine. Sijui. Niko na mbili bado. Hebu angalia uko dakika ngapi hapo juu. Kama bado ni 1-0. Naoni kama bado kwa 1-0 hapa. Naoni hapo juu kwa 1-0.